How to turn off Duet notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Duet notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one here, and then just all you need to do, just click on it one click, and as you see, Duet has been turned off, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.